Hi, I'm Chef Arden, and this morning we're cooking homemade breakfast potatoes. You're just gonna dice your potatoes in squares, put some water into your pot with salt and boil your water. Add your potato in for about 2 minutes and let it boil for 2 minutes. And we just added the potatoes in and we're gonna let it boil for about 2 minutes. Okay, we boiled our potatoes for 2 minutes. We're gonna take it out the pans and start straining them. As you can see, we have the potatoes on our strainer. And we're gonna use napkins and also dampen them. We're gonna use napkins and just remove it from our strainer. And we're still using the napkin to pat it down because there's still water on some of the potato wedges. And you wanna have it completely dry. You're cooking with Chef Arden, homemade breakfast potato. Now we're just gonna start seasoning process. We have oregano. We're gonna put some oregano, black pepper, salt, and we're just gonna add a little oil to the potato. As you can see, we just added the oregano, the salt, the black pepper to the potatoes with the oil, and we're just mixing everything. We're just gonna let it sit for about a minute, then we're gonna start the frying process. Yeah, this morning we're gonna use peanut oil for frying, and you could use any oil that you prefer. But this morning Chef Arden is using peanut oil. Chef Arden homemade breakfast potatoes. We just put them in our frying pan, so we're going to start the frying process, guys. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Arden. And we're just going to fry these until they're nice and golden. And have your potatoes nice and golden. You have nice seasoning on the potatoes. You want to season your potatoes nice. Get some nice oregano, black pepper, salt. And then you're just going to continue stir frying it until they're nice, browned and golden. Homemade breakfast potatoes, Chef Arden style. Yes, we're just going to continue. Yes, and the fries are coming in nice. Look at those colors. That's the colors that you want. You don't want it too burnt, so you just want to saute them where the fries are actually cooked on the inside. So we could actually turn down the fire now. We're going to put it on medium. Yes, we put it on medium, so we're just going to continue stir frying it until all the potatoes are cooked on the inside. See? They're getting tender, so we know our potatoes are almost cooked on the inside. Thank you for watching Cooking with Chef Arden, homemade breakfast potatoes. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Arden. This is my homemade potatoes, breakfast potatoes with my egg white sandwich. Mama! Look! Oh, one more?